Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Mazda 3. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is a 4-cylinder 2.5 pushing on 184 horsepower. For wheels we've got 18-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a spoiler, Mazda3 badging, opening up the tailgate. We've got a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats. This one does come with a keyless entry, power windows, Bose sound system, power seat. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, navigation, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmissions, our hotkeys for our media display. This Mazda 3 has 22,935 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mazda 3, check out feldmanimports.com.